time on my
So hello there guys, it's Sam again with another video review. Today I just got in my hands the Xiaomi smart umbrella. This is a automatic open and close umbrella. As you can see over here, it has a lock, I guess, option, auto, UV protection, waterproof of course, because it's an umbrella, you know. Here we can see the dimensions of the product, and let's open the package and see what we have inside. Oh, okay, so it's already open. For what? Oh, okay. So here we have the umbrella. It comes in some Chinese things. You can see over here it blocks ultraviolet rays. Let's remove these. So here on the bottom we have a little sling. Of course we have the media logo on the bottom. Let's remove this case. It also comes in a protective waterproof case. And here we have the umbrella. Here is the automatic open and close button. So it is now locked because it cannot be opened. So if you accidentally press the button, it will not open widely. So let's get outside and check it how it works. So we are now outside, let's check how it works. So this is all metal over here. Of course you can manually close it again.
taking my time on my
So hello there guys, it's Sam again with let's remove these.